Hey Dreamers, this is Mike, and in our latest bundle we have a really pretty Amaryllis project, and to make it even more prettier, we included an optional print-to-cut. And because we wanted it to be as lifelike as possible, Diana drew this beautiful design, and because it has some gradients and different tones in it, it does need to be a PNG rather than an SVG file. It's going to be really similar to how you would use an SVG file, except when you import the PNG file into Design Space, for some reason it does come in rather large. So this video is just going to show you how to resize that basically, and let's get started. So the first thing that I want to do is go ahead and click upload. And as you can see, I do have some here already, but I'm going to show you how I got those into Design Space. So I'm going to click upload and browse. Now I'm in my Amaryllis folder currently, so I'm going to go into the SVG folder. That print to cut option, or those print to cut options, are going to be located in the extras folder. So I'm going to head into the extras folder. You will see the print to cut folder here, and I'm going to go into that print to cut folder. Now we do have some instructions that are in SVG, so let me go ahead and upload that. Let me show you what those are. Let's get this onto the mat. Now this is just the instruction sheet that refers to the video that you are currently watching. And so for the files in that directory, we want to make sure that each are set at 6.6 inches. Okay, and so I can delete that file once I am done. So let's upload those three designs. So I'm going to click upload image and browse. And I'm going to go ahead and navigate to that directory. So it is in the extras folder in print to cut. Let's grab Petals 1 Snowy White PNG. And I like to select complex when I get to this page. So I'm selecting complex and continue. From here, I am just going to go ahead and apply and continue. On the upload type, we are going to select print then cut image, which is the one on the right, and upload. All right, now you can see that that first one has been uploaded. Petals 1 Snowy White, and now we just need to repeat that same process for the additional two. So upload, browse. I'm going to grab the second one, Petals 2 Snowy White, PNG, open, complex, continue, and apply and continue. And then again, we're going to make sure it is a print then cut image and upload. All right, the last one, upload image, browse. Petals 3 Snowy White PNG, open, complex, continue, apply, print then cut image, and upload. All right, now that we've uploaded those three files, let's go ahead and select each one of those. So they are highlighted in green, and we're going to click add to canvas. So as you can see, they are going to come in quite large, and you are going to automatically get an error message. So I like to zoom out. You don't need to, but I like to zoom out. And I'm just going to hover down here to the bottom left and just zoom out. And I'm just going to drag one to the right. Now I'm going to go up here to the very top where it says size. I'm going to ensure that the lock is locked. And I'm going to only change the width to 6.6. And then I'm going to click the enter or the return button. And that's going to resize that for you. Okay, and then you're going to see for that one, the red mark went away. It's fine that that little yellow exclamation is there. It's not going to affect our print to cut as long as it's not red any longer. So now let's do the same thing to the second one. We're going to make sure that it's highlighted. We have our icon is locked, and we're just going to change the width again to 6.6, enter or return. That one is done. And then finally, we're going to go to the last one, same thing, 6.6, and we've resized that. Now these are already print then cut because of the way we uploaded them, so they are ready to go. At this point, we can go ahead and click Make It. All right, you're going to see that the project is ready to go. Just make sure that your project is set up to 8.5 by 11. Mine was not, so I just changed the material size to 8.5 by 11 here. And there you go. And now I'm going to click continue. All right, so from this point, you're just going to go ahead and follow the regular prompts for print to cut. We're going to go ahead and send that to the printer and click print. And then you can go ahead and load that onto your mat to cut, and then it will actually prompt you to do the same for the next two. So let me go ahead and jump in and show you how to do this on the iPad or a mobile version. All right, so now that we are in the mobile version, we are going to click Upload and Browse Files. We're going to head into the folder where you downloaded. In my case, it is the Amaryllis folder. All right, so again, we are going to go into the Amaryllis folder, into the extras, and into the print to cut. We're going to grab the first one, so Petals 1, Snowy White. We are going to, if the background remover comes up, we do not need that. You can go ahead and just X out of that. We are going to click the Apply button. All right, we do need to give this a name. It doesn't really matter what you name it, so I'm just going to name it Petal. You are going to want to select the Print Then Cut option on the right, so make sure the Print Then Cut option is highlighted, and Upload. All right, so now that that has been loaded onto the canvas, you're just going to want to tap it so that it is highlighted. You're going to want to come down to the Edit button at the very bottom, and then you're going to see the width there, and you're going to change that width to 6.6. All right, there you go. And I'm just going to tap somewhere else to deselect that. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and repeat that again. So we're going to do Upload, Browse Files. We're going to go back into the folder in which that you downloaded if it didn't already take you into that folder. Extras, Print to Cut, Petals 2. Again, it's going to ask me for the background remover. I'm going to X that out, click Apply. I'm going to see if I can name this the same as I did, just Petal. I'm going to do Print Then Cut and Upload. All right, so that second one came in. Just make sure you highlight it. I'm going to move it off to the side here. You're going to see that it is 9.77 and we need to resize that. So we're going to go down here to Edit, click on the width and just type in 6.6 and then just click somewhere else. That one has been highlighted, or that one has been resized. Those both have been resized. Now let's get the last one. Browse Files. We're going to go back into that folder. Print to Cut. And we need number 3. Again, we can close the background remover, click Apply, give it a name, make sure you have Print Then Cut, and Upload. All right, that last one has been uploaded, so let's make sure that we just tap it so that it's highlighted. So we're going to click Edit. So we're going to click on Width there on the bottom left, and we're going to change that. We're just going to type in 6.6, and then click somewhere else. All right, now these are ready to go, and the last step is just to click Make It. Go ahead and follow the prompts for sending it to your printer as well as cutting those shapes.